What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. Mark is asking, can you use a GoPro with the Smove Mobile without any adapters? And the answer is yes. We're cold, but we're gonna go ahead and test this out for you. Right, so first you grab your GoPro, you make sure that you rotate your grip from the Smove and you put it sideways. That's pretty much it. So there you have it, Mark. It's a quick and efficient way to use your GoPro with your Smove Mobile. Make sure you create some awesome crane shots because this gives you the ability to extend. It's freezing in here. Until next time.